In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets easily and efficiently. Merging cells can be incredibly useful when you're organizing data or creating headings that span several columns or rows. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this step by step. To begin, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you haven't already, you can access Google Sheets by opening your browser and heading over to Google Drive. From there, you can either create a new spreadsheet or open one you've already been working on. Once your Google Sheet is open, you'll first need to select a specific cell that will be useful for our demonstration. Click on any individual cell to highlight it. For our purposes, let's go with cell B1. Simply click it with your mouse. At this point, we're looking to select a group of cells that we want to merge. So, hold down your mouse button and drag from cell B1 down to B5. You'll see this entire range highlighted. Now that you've selected your desired cells in column B, it's time to merge them. Look for the Merge Cells option in the toolbar at the top of your Google Sheets window. Clicking on it will give you a few options. To merge our cells vertically, that is, to combine them into a single, taller cell within the same column, select Merge Vertically. Next, move over to the other part of your spreadsheet and click on cell E2. We're going to merge cells horizontally across this row. After clicking E2, drag your mouse across to M2 so that all these cells are highlighted. With them selected, head back up to the Merge Cells option and choose Merge Horizontally this time. This will combine these cells into a longer, horizontal cell, perfect for heading across multiple columns. For our final demonstration, let's select a block of cells to merge entirely. Click on cell D6 and drag your mouse down and to the right until you reach F10. Creating a selection of multiple rows and columns. This last step involves going back to the Merge Cells button and selecting Merge All. This will merge the entire block of selected cells into one supercell, merging every row and column within your selection. And there you have it. You've just learned the basics of merging cells in Google Sheets with a vertical merge, a horizontal merge, and a complete merge of all rows and columns. By mastering these techniques, you can better organize your data and create clear, visually appealing spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped you feel more confident in using Google Sheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.